Hello students, in previous lecture I have completed the electric field due to the point charge and electric field due to the uniform charge distribution and main numericals. Okay, so today in this lecture we will start the topic electric field due to electric dipole. So first we clear electric dipole. Electric dipole. Okay, electric dipole is a system which is made of two equal and opposite charges placed at a very small distance. Okay, electric dipole is the system which made of two equal and opposite point charges placed at a very small distance. Okay, so this is an electric dipole made up of two equal and opposite point charges placed at a very small distance. Okay, suppose electric dipole is made of two point charges minus q and plus q placed at a very small distance. Suppose the distance between them is 12. Distance between two point charge is 12. Okay, then electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. It is denoted by P is the product of any one charge. Okay, it is the product of any one charge of electric dipole and the distance between them. Okay, electric dipole moment is the product of any one charge and the distance between them. Q into 12. Q into 12. So the electric dipole moment is given by P is equal to Q into 12. Okay, it is the vector quantity. It is the vector quantity. So it can be written as P is equal to Q into 12 or 2QL. Due to its vector quantity, so the direction of the electric dipole moment is from minus Q to plus Q. Minus Q to plus Q. So electric dipole moment is equal to 2QL. 2QL, and its unit, you know, the unit of charge is coulomb and unit of length is meter. So its unit in SI system is coulomb meter. Okay, and the dimensional formula is Q. IT means I ampere, T time and L. So the dimensional formula is m raised to power 0, L raised to power 1, T raised to power 1, A raised to power 1. This is the dimensional formula of the electric dipole moment. Okay. Any problem? No. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is the vector quantity and its direction from minus q to plus q, the line adjoining to the point charges. Correct? So P is equal to 2qm. Okay. P is equal to 12. Just in your board exams, numerical based on the formula, Q is given, L is given, then you can find the electric dipole moment. But suppose here the x-axis and y-axis, okay, and the minus q charge is placed at the coordinate a0 and other minus q charge is placed at minus 0 minus 0 plus a, sorry, 0 plus a. So two charges minus q are placed at a0 and 0a, and plus 2q charge is placed at origin. Correct? Calculate the effective electric dipole moment. सर यहाँ तो डाइपोल बन नहीं रहा है, तो नहीं बन रहा है तो इसे हम लोगों को बनाना पड़ेगा. You know, charge is scalar quantity. Charge is scalar quantity. So this plus 2q charge, also we assume that plus q, okay, plus q and plus q. So this plus q charge makes first dipole, and this plus q charge is also makes second dipole. Okay, and all of you know electric dipole moment direction is from minus q to plus q, minus q to plus q. Then due to first dipole, this is the direction of electric dipole P1, and due to second dipole P2. Okay, then first you calculate the electric dipole moment of the first dipole. Correct? You know it is a product of any one charge and distance between them. So any one charge q and the distance between the charge is a. Then q into a, q into. Very similarly, the electric dipole moment of the second dipole, it is also the distance is a and any one charge. So q into a, q into, it shows that both the electric dipoles have same electric dipole moment, but direction is not same. It is P1 and it is P2 at the 90 degree. At the 90 degree. Okay. So you can calculate by using law of parallelogram. Okay. Then resultant electric dipole moment P is equal to under root P1 square plus P2 square. This is 90. Okay. If other than 90, then P1 square plus P2 square plus 2P1 P2 cos theta. Here 90 cos 90 0 here. Up P1 QA. Put the value Q A square plus QA square means 2Q square A square. Then P is equal to QA root 2 Coulomb meter. This is the effective electric dipole moment. ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. ओके, तो ये था आपका इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट. जैसे चार्ज आपको दे दिए जाएंगे तो आपको देखना होगा कि वहां से कितने इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल फॉर्म हो रहे हैं और सबका अलग अलग इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट आप कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे और उसके बाद ड्यू टू बाय यूजिंग द वेक्टर रूल यू कैन कैलकुलेट द रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट. करेक्ट. Next topic is electric field due to dipole at a point placed on the axis of the electric dipole. Okay. Second condition, perpendicular to the axis means equatorial position. And third, at any point we want to calculate the electric field. So here electric field on the axial point. Electric field on axial point due to electric dipole. Electric field on axial point. Axial point. Suppose a electric dipole made up of minus q plus q charge and at a distance between them 12. At a distance between them is 12. Axial means the line adjoining the both the charges of electric dipole. This is the axis. This is the this is the axis. Either this side or this side. Correct? Here this is the midpoint of electric dipole. Middle point, so this is L, this is also L. Okay, because total distance is 2L. Concept is very clear. Suppose this point is M. Correct? In previous lectures I clear that if you want to find the electric field intensity due to more than two charges, so first you separately calculate the electric field. Concept is very similar. Here two charges. Correct? So suppose A, B. Okay. Due to minus q, you calculate due to minus q at M means electric field intensity at M due to minus q charge. Okay, you know, I hope, due to positive charge the direction of electric field is away, and due to negative sign towards the charge. So suppose this distance is r. Okay, due to minus q at m, negative, due to negative, towards the negative charge, EA. Okay, EA. And also you know the formula of electric intensity, KE Q upon R square, where K is the constant and it can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. When the whole system, means electric dipole, is placed in air medium, so due to minus q charge, electric field intensity EA is equal to KE Q upon, and distance this R plus L, ये distance R, and due to minus q, then distance between A and M is R plus L, and here R is greater than L. You know, it is the condition of electric dipole. The distance between the charges of the electric dipole is very small, EA upon R plus L whole square. Okay, and due to plus q charge, so the distance from B and M, R minus L. So EB and distance, direction, due to plus, due to away, so this is EB. So KE Q upon R minus L. Okay, as shown in figure, the direction of EA and EB is opposite. So at M, effective electric field intensity, electric field EB minus EA from equation first and second, since that EB is greater than EB is greater than EB. So E is equal to EB minus E. Putting these values, KEQ is common. KEQ is common. So under bracket 1 upon R minus L whole square minus 1 upon R plus L whole square. Correct? Okay, and calculate it. Very simple. E is equal to KE Q R minus L whole square. You take LCM, R minus L whole square, R plus L whole square. So R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square. Correct? After calculating A square minus B square, by using A square minus B square, A plus B and A minus B, R plus L minus R plus L upon R square minus L square whole square. So L cancels, here R cancels. So KE Q R plus R, 2R into L plus L, 2L upon R square minus L square. Okay, since that R is greater than L, Therefore, L square tends to 0. L square by L is very minimum. So square of the very minimum quantity also tends to 0. Put here, you get Ke Q 2RL 4RL upon L square tends to 0, then R is to power 4. R is to power 4. So R cancel, R cube, and you know, here we write, you know, the E is equal to Ke cube 4L. 4 means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2QL upon R cube. Okay? Here you know P is equal to 2QL, electric dipole moment. So E is equal to Ke into 2P, where P is the electric dipole moment, or it can be written as E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. Okay, this is the electric field intensity at on axial point. Okay, E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. Okay, and due to the electric dipole, what is the direction of the effective electric field intensity? You know, EB is greater than EA. Then the effective electric field direction is along EB. Okay, you say that the direction of electric field intensity due to electric dipole at on axial point is always away, or you can say along the direction of P, along the direction of P on axial point. Okay, so E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube, correct? And direction is also along the electric dipole moment. Here we see that E inversely proportional to R cube, but due to point charge E inversely proportional to R square, correct? ये कभी कभी पूछ लिया जाता है. Due to electric dipole, E varies with 1 upon R cube, and due to point charge, E varies with 1 upon R square. It shows that the electric field decreases with distance very fastly than the electric field intensity due to the point charge. मतलब point charge की वजह से distance के अकॉर्डिंगली जो E डिक्रीज करेगा, उसके कंपैरिजन में इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल की जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी है वो ज्यादा तेजी से डिक्रीज करेगी, और इसका डायरेक्शन P की डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट के ही डायरेक्शन में होता है. आई होप you clear the derivation of the electric field intensity. Okay, and we take second. Here electric field intensity on the equatorial line. Equatorial line means the bisector, perpendicular bisector of the axis of the electric dipole, like this. Suppose the electric dipole is made of two charge Q, minus Q and plus Q, equatorial line or perpendicular line. Okay, equatorial means suppose the distance between them is 12, this is the midpoint. Okay, perpendicular distance, correct? Then we want to find the electric field intensity on the equatorial line. Concept is very similar. First, you calculate the electric field due to both minus Q and plus Q. Suppose at distance R, this is the point M. This is the point M. At M, these are the M's. Okay. At M due to minus Q. Suppose point A, point B, due to minus EA. All of you know the formula electric field intensity due to the point charge. You use K, charge is Q, and distance here you see L, R. So AM is equal to under root R square plus L square. Under root R square plus, then under root R square plus L square whole square. EA. Correct? Similarly, due to plus Q at M, you know the direction of electric field is away from the positive charge, away from the point charge. Then EB is equal to, okay, EB. This distance is also under root R square plus L square, correct? Then EB is equal to KE Q upon under root R square plus L square whole square, correct? But here on axis both are in opposite direction, so you subtract them and you are getting the effective electric field intensity. But here at angle, suppose MA is equal to MB, MA is equal to MB, MA is equal to MB. So suppose this angle theta and this is also theta, both are equal. So this angle is here triangle ABM. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, means 2 theta, means 2 theta. Here two vector quantities means EA and AB. Triangle ABM, 2 theta is the exterior angle, and you know the exterior angle is the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is 2 theta, correct? Two vector quantities EA and EB is EA and EB. So by using law of parallelogram, the effective electric field intensity is EA square plus EB square plus 2EA EB cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. So EA and EB you see numerically equal, numerically equal, numerically equal. So EA square also EB is equal to E numerically. Okay, so EA, we put EA in the place of EB. EA square plus 2EA cos 2 theta. Okay, so 2EA square plus 2EA square cos 2 theta. Correct? And you know, here we write 2EA square plus 2EA cos 2 theta. Okay, 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Put the formula of cos 2 theta. Any problem? Since cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So E is equal to under root 2EA square plus 2EA square under bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. Correct? So 2EA square plus 4EA square, 2 to the 4, cos square theta minus 2EA square. Correct? Here 2EA square, 2EA square cancels. So root of 4 is 2. Root of 4 is 2. EA square also EA cos square theta, cos theta. Correct? And in right angle triangle OBM, in right angle triangle OBM, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, base upon then L upon under root R square. Correct? So and EA KE Q upon under root R square plus L square का whole square means R square plus L square, R square plus L square, and L upon R square plus L square power 1 by 2. Any problem? Is it clear? And 2 also here. 2. Correct? So KE 2QL upon R square plus L square power 3 by 2. Correct? So I write there. And you know L is L is less than R. Therefore, the high powers of L tends to 0. So E is equal to K and the term 2QL. The term 2QL represent the electric dipole moment, electric dipole moment upon L square tends to 0. So R square into power 3 by 2, 2 cancels. So E is equal to KE P upon R cube. Okay, or it can be written as E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube. Correct? And if you focus on the electric field intensity on the axial point, E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. But here at equatorial point or you can say at the perpendicular bisector. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube instead of E axial 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P upon R cube. It means at the same distance, the E is twice. Okay, E is twice of the E on equatorial line. Correct? And the direction on axis is toward the along the P, but here direction is different. You know, E, B and EA is same. So the resultant is bisect the angle. Bisect the angle means this also theta, this also theta. Means parallel to the axis of electric dipole, but here the direction of P is negative to positive, but here parallel to the axis and positive to negative. Means the direction of electric field intensity on equatorial line is just opposite to the direction of electric field intensity on the axial line. Axial line में डायरेक्शन ये है और यहाँ अपोजिट है, इस बात को आप लोग ध्यान रखिएगा. करेक्ट? क्लियर? तो ये आपने क्या किया? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन एक्सिस एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन perpendicular bisector, you can say on equatorial line. Okay, and third condition is electric field due to electric dipole at any point. At any point. At any point. So, suppose this is the electric dipole made up of minus q and plus q charge at distance 2m, at distance 2m. Correct? At any point means any other point. Correct? Suppose at this is O, this is M. Is it clear? To calculate the electric field intensity due to this electric dipole made up of minus q plus q charge placed at a distance, very small distance, 2m. Okay. How will you find? The process is so simple, because you also study the electric field intensity on axis and on equatorial line. You know, this is the direction of P, means negative to positive, negative to positive. Correct? Suppose this is theta, means the line MO makes an angle theta, with electric dipole moment. ध्यान रखिएगा, ये मैं clockwise दे रहा हूं, means the line MO makes an angle theta with electric dipole moment. Correct? So, to calculate E at M, very easy. You know, on the axis and equatorial line. तो एक्सिस और इक्वेटोरियल लाइन के ही फॉर्मूलों को हम यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे. कैसे? P we can resolve in the direction of OM. In the direction of OM. EOM. EOM. Or you can say P. यहाँ P है ना? टुवर्ड्स m। भाई एक्सिस पे लाने के लिए p को हमने रिजोल्यूट कर लिया, तो क्या हो गया p cos थीटा एंड अदर कंपोनेंट p perpendicular to the m, perpendicular to the m, this ओके। तो ये डायरेक्शन क्या हो गई, तो ये p cos थीटा है, क्या है भाई p cos थीटा, दिस इज द थीटा ओके। तो ये क्या आएगा भाई, ये p है ना, ये p है, तो ये 90 माइनस थीटा, तो ये डायरेक्शन हो गई p sin थीटा, क्या हो गया p sin थीटा। वेक्टर अलजेब्रा में आपने रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स पढ़ रखे हैं, तो p cos थीटा एंड p sin थीटा। अब जब p cos थीटा और p sin थीटा आपने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है, तो अब वही फार्मूला लगा दो, यहाँ पे एक्सिस तरफ जाएगा और यहाँ पर जो है इसके इक्वेटोरियल लग जाएगा, करेक्ट। अब क्या होगा देखिए, ऑन द एक्सिस, ऑन द एक्सिस का क्या लगा, अब यहां पर ऑन द एक्सिस E1 इज इक्वल टू, एक्सिस का फॉर्मूला जानते हैं आप, K2P बट नॉट P cos थीटा, क्या है ये P cos थीटा, 2P cos थीटा अपॉन डिस्टेंस r, ओके r cube, ओके। वेरी सिमिलरली ऑन परपेंडिकुलर एच मींस इक्वेटोरियल, अब ये डाइपोल है आपका, करेक्ट। तो यहां पर क्या हो गया, E2 is equal to K P sin theta upon r cube, correct। भाई एक्सिस फार्मूला K 2P upon r cube, but here the component is P cos theta, so K 2P cos theta upon r cube, and on equatorial line perpendicular bisector it is equal to K P sin theta upon r cube, okay। and perpendicular each other, क्या हो गया ये perpendicular each other, so the resultant electric field intensity is equal to under root E1 square plus E1 perpendicular E2 है, correct। putting these values, K square 4P square cos square theta upon r cube square plus K square P square sin square theta upon r cube square whole under root, correct। so K square common, ये K, P square P, correct। r cube square plus r cube square common, r cube square r cube, okay। so under root 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta, you know KP upon r cube, correct। 4 cos square theta we can write as 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, and you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so E is equal to, you get the formula P upon r cube under root 1 plus 3 cos square theta, or E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r cube under root 1 plus 3 cos square theta. Is it clear? This is the electric field intensity at any point due to an electric dipole. Correct? And it is also called the general formula of the electric field intensity due to the electric dipole. Electric dipole. अब इसी से आप एक्सिस का भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। जैसे ये फॉर्मूला अगर डन है तो आप ऐड कर सकते हैं कैसे? सपोज माइनस क्यू प्लस क्यू थीटा, करेक्ट? थीटा विद पी। तो अगर आपको एक्सिस पे चाहिए यहां तो फॉर एक्सिस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0। जब थीटा आप 0 ले लेंगे देखिए तो यू कैन गेट 1/4π0 p upon r cube अंडर रूट 1 प्लस cos 0 1 3 और 3 plus 1 4 under root 2. You can get formula on axis 1/4π0 2p upon r cube. करेक्ट? और अगर आपको परपेंडिकुलर चाहिए इक्वेटोरियल लाइन देन थीटा 90 रख दीजिए तो ये फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा cos 90 0 तो 1/4π0 p upon r cube. करेक्ट? तो इस तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल ऑन एक्सिस on equatorial line and at any point means the general formula. Correct? I hope you all of you understand this. Correct? So you prepare your notes and go through the derivations, theories and numerical based on these formulas also. Okay students, good day, take care.